On August 17, 2024, officers Caitlin Perry and Ethan Doerr with the Athens Police Department observed a 2011 Toyota, which failed to stay in its lane of travel while swerving into parking spaces on the side of the road. As Officer Perry began following the vehicle, she observed the driver sitting stationary in the left turn lane of East Carpenter Street and East State Street. After the driver turned onto East State Street, the vehicle was driven over the speed limit and the driver continued swerving. Officer Perry activated her emergency lights and initiated a traffic stop near Kindred Market.
Hi there, Officer Perry with the Athens City Police Department. The reason I stopped you is because you were all over the place back there. You sat through the light. You're speeding. You got anything to drink tonight?
Yes, I've had drinks tonight.
Alright. Do you have your ID?
I do, yes.
How much would you say you've had to drink?
3 drinks. At Casa.
Do you have your registration, insurance?
I think so, but I'm not good at that. I'm pulled over very often. Hopefully this is the most recent. I'm just not good at... Is that... Or it could be this one. Wait, so I have 2. So
this one's good, yeah.
Okay,
so
that's
you
the
have
most
insurance.
recent. Okay.
She made with the female who was driving the Toyota, and she was identified as Lacie. After making contact with Lacie, Officer Perry detected the odor of alcohol and noticed that Lacie was wearing a wristband. When she asked her if she had consumed alcohol, Lacie admitted that she consumed 3 drinks at Casa Nova earlier that evening. Based on her suspicions of impairment, Officer Perry asked Lacie to perform field sobriety exercises.
Do you mind go ahead and step out of the car and do some field sobriety tests just to make sure you're okay to drive? You can go ahead and turn the car off, yeah. You set your keys on top of the car. Awesome. Yeah. Alright, just stand right there for a second. Alright, so what I'm going to have you do is just stand there with your arms down at your sides, your feet together.
Okay.
Do you wear contacts or any prescription glasses?
I do wear prescription glasses. I have glasses.
Okay. Alright, what I'm going to do is just have your finger, follow my finger with your eyes and your eyes only. Okay. Keeping your head perfectly still.
Okay. My eyes only, not my head.
Correct. And do it again slowly. Now we're going to go ahead, just follow with your eyes and your eyes only. Alright, next one we're going to do is the walk and turn. So while I'm giving you the instructions, I'll have you stand probably right about here.
Okay.
And then I'll have you same way, feet together, arms down at your sides while I explain the instructions to you, and then you'll go when I tell you to begin. Just hands down at your sides, feet together. So what you're going to do is 9 heel-to-toe steps. What you're going to do is you're going to walk heel-to-toe, look down at your feet, and count aloud.
Okay.
So what I want you to do is place your right foot in front, and then place your left foot like this for me. So go ahead and do that.
Like this?
Right foot down and then left foot in front. Yep, do that. Jump in.
Okay. And just keep going?
Well, no, just while I give you the instructions, I want you to stand like this. Other way, with your left foot in front. That was with left foot in front.
I'll throw a line right foot on a bit different.
Is your left foot in line, right foot in front? Okay. Nope, you're good. Just stand like that.
Right foot in front?
Yeah.
Okay.
Hands down at your side. And then you're going to, when I tell you to begin, take 9 heel-to-toe steps, counting out loud. So it'll be 1, 2, 3, all the way to 9. When you get to 9, you're going to leave this foot planted, or leave this foot on the ground, and you're going to turn by taking a small series of steps with your other foot. And then take 9 heel-to-toe steps back, counting 1, 2, 3, all the way to 9.
Okay. 1.
So, wait, don't be, I haven't told you to begin yet.
Sorry.
So what you're going to do is you're going to count 9 steps, taking a turn at the end, counting out loud, keeping your hands down at your side while you do so.
And then 9 the other way back?
And then turn around and do 9 back.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Turn around. Turn around. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
All right. The last test is going to be the one-leg stand. So stand with your feet together, arms down at your side.
Okay.
Don't start until I tell you to do so. Do you have anything that would make you unable to stand on one foot? Any balance problems, leg problems, okay. So when I tell you to go, you're going to hold one foot about 6 inches off the ground, parallel to the ground. And I want you to keep both of your legs straight, your arms down at your sides while you do so. And you're going to count out loud, holding that position, 1001, 1002, 1003, until I tell you to stop.
Okay.
So keep your arms at your sides at all times and keep your eyes on your foot.
Okay.
Foot perpendicular to the ground. All right.
Ready?
You can, hold on. Yeah, timer. All right. You can begin.
Okay. 1001, 1002, 1003,
Make sure your foot's,
1005,
the bottom of your foot should be flat parallel to the ground.
1007,
There you go.
1008, 1009, 1010,
Keep going.
1012, 1013, 1014, 1015, 1015.
Keep going.
Oh, 1016, 1017, 1018, 1019, 2020, 2021, 2022.
Officer Perry started with the horizontal gaze nystagmus test. During the HGN test, Officer Perry observed a lack of smooth pursuit, distinct and sustained nystagmus at maximum deviation, and the onset of nystagmus prior to 45 degrees. The second exercise was the walk and turn test. During the walk and turn test, Lacie did not touch heel to toe on each step while using her arms for balance. The last exercise was the one-leg stand test. During the one-leg stand test, Lacie failed to raise her foot in the proper fashion and put her foot down before the test was complete.
So, at this point in time, place your hands behind your back and you're under arrest for driving while intoxicated.
Can you give me my keys at
I don't
least?
have any previous plan.
Can you give me my keys at least?
Yeah, we'll give them to you.
Okay.
Yep.
Okay.
You have your
Want your
purse.
purse out of the car too?
She has it
You
on
got
her.
that one.
It's
Okay.
on me. Yeah.
Your phone in that bag with you?
It's in
I
her back
think it's
pocket.
on me. Yeah. It's good.
Do you have anything on you that might stick me, poke me,
No.
bug me? Just gonna... Oops. All right. Go right over to the back of the car. Hold the seat in there.
Based on her erratic driving, the odor of alcohol, her admission to consuming alcohol, and her inability to adequately perform the field sobriety exercises, Officer Perry placed Lacie under arrest for OVI. Officer Perry transported Lacie to the Athens Police Department for further processing.
Left here. Right back here. Straight back to that glass wall. Nope, you're just gonna stand right there. I'm gonna uncuff you, and when I unlock your hand, I want you to place it up on the glass in front of you, okay? Alright. And then take your purse off of you. Yep, and you can go ahead and have a seat in there. We'll be with you in just a minute, okay? I'm going to do this, and I'm going to read the top part to you. So, consequences of test and refusal. So, you're now under arrest for OVI. So, would you like to take the breathalyzer test?
No, it's really confusing.
So, basically, if you say, no, I don't want to take it, your license will be immediately suspended. If you take it and you're under the legal limit, then your license will not be suspended. If you're over the legal limit, your license will be suspended immediately. You'll have to go to court.
Okay. We'll do it.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Well, then we'll get that started. You just wait here while are you gonna have her step on out now? Yeah. All right. If you wanna go on in that room.
Seat in the black chair in the corner for me over there.
At the station, Officer Perry read Lacie the OBMV 2255 form, and she agreed to submit breath samples. Officer Doerr administered the machine, and her breathalyzer results indicated a BAC level of 0.184 grams per 210 liters, which was more than double the legal limit. After Lacie was processed, she was released to a friend pending a court appearance. Officer Perry issued the following citations to Lacie: operating a vehicle impaired BAC over .17 left of center.